Introducing the Broadlink RM4 Pro IRRF Wi-Fi Universal Remote Smart Home Automation. With its extensive feature list, this remote is compatible with a wide range of devices. It supports RF-controlled devices like curtain motors, projectors, and light switches. It also supports over 50,000 IR-controlled devices such as TVs, STBs, air conditioners, fans, and more. Please note that it does not work with Bluetooth devices. Plus, the supported devices library is constantly updated by the cloud, ensuring compatibility with newer devices. Experience enhanced control with the new Broadlink app. Available on both Apple App Store and Google Play, this app offers better user experiences for configuration and creating scenes compared to its predecessor, IHC. You can even control your IR devices from the app if you have an Android phone with an integrated IR emitter. Enjoy hands-free control using voice commands with Alexa and Google Home. Simply enable the Broadlink skill service in Amazon Alexa, Google Home, IFTTT apps, link your account, and discover devices to easily control your TV, STB, air conditioner, and fans. Please make sure that your devices can be remotely controlled from external networks. The RM4 Pro also comes with some exciting new features. It supports an external temperature and humidity sensor USB cable, allowing you to monitor the room's temperature and humidity through the Broadlink app, sensor sold separately. Thanks to FastCon technology, the RM4 Pro offers zero configuration. After adding the first FastCon device to the app, any additional FastCon devices that you power on will be automatically discovered and shown in the app. Rest assured with our comprehensive tech support. The Broadlink RM4 Pro comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support. You can find helpful video guides on our Amazon brand store page and YouTube. Additionally, you can seek assistance and provide feedback directly through the Broadlink community in the app. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US with US electrical outlets. If you plan to use it internationally, you may need an adapter or converter for compatibility. Before purchasing, please check the compatibility requirements for your destination. Product information. Product dimensions: 3.94 by 3.54 by 1.18 inches. Item weight: 5 ounces. ASIN: B096TXWMPV. Item model number: RM4 Pro. Customer reviews: 4.0 out of 5 stars from 171 ratings. Bestsellers rank: number 55,163 in tools and home improvement, number 51 in home automation hubs and controllers. Date first available: June 8, 2021. Manufacturer: Hangzhou Broadlink Technology Company, Limited. Country of origin: China. Discover the convenience and versatility of the Broadlink RM4 Pro IRRF Wi-Fi Universal Remote Smart Home Automation. Get yours today and take control of your home.